Hi, I'm Scott from LJ's Kitchens. We're here to talk about cooking appliances, and the range is obviously the most typical form of cooking appliance that we would design into a kitchen space. The most cost-effective way of doing that would be a full one-piece unit that has our cooking surface and our oven all built into one piece. That allows us to incorporate all cooking methods into the least amount of space that's required to put that into a kitchen, because it all sits in one small 30-inch space. That being said, there are some industrial or more commercial styles appliances that offer us different widths of ranges. We can do 36-inch wide, 48-inch wide, and 60-inch wide ranges all in one piece as well. Obviously, the larger we go, the more cooking surface you get. And once we get beyond the 36-inch space, we will get into a second oven in the 48-inch style model and two full-sized ovens in the 60-inch model. So a great way of incorporating all of our cooking section into one particular space is by using a larger range if that's what we're looking for. Another great way of designing the cooking appliances would be to separate them out. So we have a cook surface that can either be ordered in electric, induction, or gas. So we have complete versatility as to your cooking method and how you like to use that cooktop. But also that gives us a more user-friendly height to mount the oven. So normally with a range, that oven would be pushed closer to the ground, and this allows us to bring that up to make it a much more functional height to get to those racks. So it's much more convenient when we can put that in a cabinet and make it a little more user-friendly height. We can also do secondary ovens in wall spaces like this. This happens to be a steam oven, but we can also do steam ovens, a secondary full-sized oven, a smart oven. By separating the units out, it does make it much easier if one does decide to fail on us. We're not out the full range. Let's say, for example, we would only be losing the appliance that needed repair and would still have full access to the other part, either the cooktop or the oven. So obviously, designing with separate appliances, the range top and the oven, does take more space, but it does allow us to kind of customize that design a little bit more, especially if you had like a two-person cooking kitchen where one could be utilizing one appliance and the other could be using the other. Just makes it a little more user-friendly to use that way. So if you're curious as to what type of cooking appliances would work best in your space, please don't hesitate to contact one of our designers here at LJ's Kitchens.